Across Africa, infrastructure is more than concrete and steel. It is the connective tissue of our continent's growth story. When we speak of bridging the gap, we speak of unlocking trade corridors, access and opportunity, connecting people, resources, and markets across borders. One such transformative corridor exemplifies this vision: a large-scale regional transport link that is set to reshape trade and mobility across Southern and Central Africa. It represents a commitment to building the arteries that drive commerce, integration, and sustainable development, creating pathways that carry not only goods, but opportunity. This flagship regional trade corridor involves the rehabilitation and upgrading of a major route that stretches hundreds of kilometers, converting it from a gravel path into a fully engineered, high-capacity trade network. By connecting resource-rich regions to key export gateways, this transport link shortens transit times, reduces costs, and stimulates investments. It is designed to enable the efficient flow of goods between landlocked economies and coastal markets, strengthening Africa's participation in global supply chains. More than an infrastructure upgrade, this development represents a gateway for industrial growth, a catalyst for regional trade, and a driver of inclusive economic participation. This continental trade corridor advances several of Africa's most important priorities. It makes trade faster and more efficient, cutting travel time by several days and creating a cost-effective route for goods moving in and out of the region. It boosts industrial competitiveness by improving logistics for key sectors like mining, agriculture, and manufacturing, driving productivity and regional value creation. And it promotes economic inclusion by connecting communities to markets, jobs, and essential services, ensuring that growth is shared by all. The impact of this corridor extends beyond its physical footprint. It unlocks human, social, and economic potential. It stretches cross-border connectivity, deepening collaboration amongst regional partners and paving the way for greater trade integration. It stimulates growth in sectors like agriculture, tourism, and small business, creating new opportunities and supporting sustainable livelihoods. And it empowers communities through local access improvements and feeder routes that make daily mobility easier and enhances social inclusion. The Development Bank of Southern Africa proudly serves as the mandated lead arranger, mobilizing investment and coordinating financing for this vital regional artery. Our role is to de-risk investment, attract private capital, and ensure infrastructure projects move from concept to concrete reality. This corridor is more than a transport route. It is a symbol of Africa's determination and progress. By connecting nations and enabling commerce, it reminds us that Africa is ready to invest, ready to trade, and ready to grow. Together, through partnerships like these, we are turning ambition into action and bridging the gap between potential and prosperity.